back to my channel. My name is Johnson, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about overfeeding. Why do I have this beautiful monstera plant here? Well, as you can see, it is just one stem left, and I used to have about 5 stems. A little one is about to start growing out, but I observed that I was overfeeding it, so this plant was overeating. So we're talking about overeating today. Why am I talking about this plant? Well, I did some research as to why the plants keep dying, and I noticed that I always overwater it, and the soil doesn't dry out totally because this plant is indoor and it doesn't get so much sunlight, so nothing really happens to the water in it. So I water it every once in a week, but the water hasn't totally dried out, and the reason why the plant keeps dying, but I'm hoping that it will flourish. It has one stem about to start popping, but today I'm talking about you and I when it comes to overeating. Overeating is good to eat, isn't it? I really love food, but the thing about overeating is that you don't want to overdo it. Eating is very good for the body. I mean, food is very good for the body, but there's something my mom always says, that too much of everything is bad. Think about what she says. She's been saying this for quite a long time. Food is good for the body. It increases, your weight, especially when you need to gain weight, for growth, and then to pass on nutrients into your body, right? But when it comes to excess food is consumed, right, in your body, and at the same time, it becomes a problem when you do not exert the energy out, because the food consumed is energy consumed. So when it comes to overeating, it can cause you so many issues like nausea, it can cause you discomfort, fatigue. It can also even amount pressure on the organs in the body, especially when your stomach is really big. Your stomach should take about 1 liter of food content in it, but it could also expand to about 3 liters. And so when it's at 3 liters, it is just okay. But when it's going beyond that, well, all your other organs start to suffer, and then your the tissues around your stomach start to expand, which can also cause more problem. Excess food can also cause excess fat. And the reason why you see people with pot belly. I've been working on mine for quite some time. I can show you. So, it causes pot belly, and aside from that, it also adds fat on every other part of the body. Your cheeks gets fat, your arms, your thighs, and maybe your butt, especially for the ladies. But what am I trying to say here? When you consume food, your body only takes some amount of food necessary to keep your body going, and then it converts to energy to keep your body going, and the remaining one that was not used, aside from the waste, right, like fibers and the likes, is converted into energy, and then energy stored as fat. So this is the reason why we have fats all around our body, because we have not exerted that energy that we ought to exert. So take for instance, you eat a bowl or a plate of rice, and then you get on into the day and you start to walk around, or you do your daily activity. The next thing is that the body starts to consume that food. It becomes energy, and then your body uses up that energy as the day goes by. But when you eat in excess, right, your body stores the remaining, especially carbohydrates. Your body stores the remaining in the areas that needs to be stored in, and then the next thing is you start to add weight. Unlike other foods like your protein helps to repair tissues, so you necessarily do not store all that in your body. You excrete it. And also your fruits and vegetables, most of the waste products come out as fiber, so you excrete all of that out. But when it comes to carbohydrate especially, you store them up as fat, because from fats, when you do not eat, it can be converted back to energy, and then you have energy to go on for the day. But the more you overeat your food, the more you store up fats in the body. So today I'm really excited to talk to you guys about overeating, and I hope that we start to watch the things we eat and we do not overeat. Hope this was very helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Ciao.